Hi class, to make sure that you have what you need for our Google meeting today, you're going to want to go to a regular Google page like this. You're going to want to make sure that your child is signed in on the Google Chrome browser, and that would mean that you're not going to use Internet Explorer, but you're going to make sure that it's this Google Chrome button over here. When you do that, if your child's already signed in, you're going to click on this little waffle right here, and that will take you either to Google Meets or Google Hangouts. They're both the same thing. They've been combined by Google. So you will click on that Meet and just make sure that you don't need any downloads, that it doesn't need to be downloaded. If you click on it and it says join a meeting, that means you already have it downloaded and you're ready to go, and you can just click on the link. I hope that helps. Feel free to ask me any questions as you need.